Welcome to Ascendance Edu-Tech YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn some more new things about Microsoft Word. We are going to learn about two things like Superscript and Subscript option under the font group in the Home tab. So what is the purpose of all these things and when we use the Superscript and when we use the Subscript? So these are the things we are going to learn in today's session. So let us move to Microsoft Word to learn all these things practically.
Your future starts here. Welcome to Multidimensional Training Institute Ascendance Edu-Tech. Master computer skills, programming, and English communication through practical, industry-focused training. For students, professionals, and aspiring achievers. Learn, grow, succeed. Join Ascendance Edu-Tech today.
So suppose, let's say, I have to write this formula like this. I have to write this H2O. Now what I want this 2 should be H2O. So what I want to change the size of. I want to make it smaller. I want to make this 2 smaller. So what should I do? I should select this 2 and I should click on this particular button called Subscript. So if I click on this, see, I'm getting H2O, the formula for water. Okay. So childhood days or in school days we have learned the formula. So this way, if I want to write like this kind of formula in a Microsoft Word, then we can use this Subscript button. Take another example. Let's say I have to write down H2SO4. So I want 2 and O should be small in size. So what should I do? I should click on this, I should select this 2 and I should click on this. I should click on 4, I should click on this. So this way we can write this kind of formula using Subscript option, which is available under the font group of Home tab. Now next we'll go for Superscript. Suppose let me write a formula like A. So let me write a formula like this: A plus B2 plus 2AB, like this I want to write down. Now I want it should be A square. So what should I do? I should select this 2. I should click on this Superscript button. So see, it has become like this. I should click on this 2 once again. So it has become like this. So see, it has become a formula like this way: A square plus B square plus 2AB. So if I want to write this kind of formula in Microsoft Word, then the Superscript and Subscript, these two options are very, very important. So hope you have learned the use of Superscript and Subscript button. So please share your feedback in the comment box so that we can understand your learning level. So this way I'm coming to an end of this session. Thank you.